Hello. Okay. It's really what? It's really.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome to another new vlog. So today is Akshay Tritiya and it's 30th of April. I woke up around 9 in the morning and started reading my Harry Potter because बहुत दिनों से छूटा हुआ था वो. So I'm almost going to finish it here. Yeah. I will order the more 2 parts. The last time I bought 3 in a set of 3. So now after that I will buy two because space भी होना चाहिए रखने के लिए. वैसे भी space का बहुत shortage है flat में. Everything, all the things happening behind the scenes. I hope by now you have already seen the Sarah's vlog when I made, and already probably 2 more videos has already been live. Haul भी था उसमें से. I'm not sure if I have put it or not, or this one will be going first. Anyways, you wanna see some amazing haul as well. मुझे convocation के लिए भी जाना है, so I need to pack that. Already my bags and luggages is still there. The previous trip I had only last month April में, उसका भी मैंने unpack तो किया था. बाकी कुछ सामान जो मैंने नहीं यूज़ की वो अभी भी बैग में ही है. I will wear it in the next trip now that I will be going soon. So yeah, come along with me as I pack my bag and go for my post-graduation का degree लाने. And I finally am post-graduated. And yeah, convocation जब होता है ना तब feel होता है. वैसे तो मैं एक साल से मेरा 1 साल से post-graduation has been done, but वो complete हो चुका है मेरा course. But now it hits. Like you are not a student anymore. Now comes to reality, and yeah. That's it. So anyways, I will take you all along with the journey. I will show you how it goes. So I'm very happy, and yeah, that's it. Now I will work. Now today is no screen day. मतलब मैं ना ऐसे एक दिन निकालती हूँ जिसमें मैं ज़्यादा screen time नहीं करती हूँ. I write the scripts, BTS, and also I do need to mails and check mails and send mails rather. So that I will do. So pretty much of it, and yeah, I'm so happy. So yeah, everything going behind is so dreamy. Oh my god, yesterday I saw the reel of Sarah's and Wishcare's, and I was there in their reel. I'm so happy. Oh my god. So yeah, that's the reason for my happiness now. Now I need to really work, and my subscribers level is getting up day by day, so I'm happy for that. I need to focus on Instagram as well. I need to get the numbers correct because I am currently investing a lot, so in terms of my time and everything right there, so I need to get the numbers right. So please do subscribe if you haven't, and also follow me on Instagram so that we can grow together and I can share everything in my journey that comes along. So yeah, did I tell you all, subah se it was raining so bad, and also in the afternoon there was a plan that we will go to the jewelry shop and I will buy some earrings from mine. Today Akshay Tritiya, so I don't know what will happen, but the rain has stopped now. It's not pouring that heavily, so I have to check that we can go or not. I need to go for a jewelry shop to get some earrings or maybe some ring I will buy for myself on the special occasions. So let's see if that happens or not. So yeah.
One eternity later.
this vlog is all over the place, but currently I will be unboxing all these parcels that came from Amazon itself. So you know my rack update is not yet over, and it is day by day upgradation hota hi ja raha hai, someday this or that. And also I thought to color this, that I will do soon whenever I'll be getting time. But now I need to open all these parcels right here before it becomes too late. So let me start from this. Okay, so I said you all that, so I told you all in the last vlog, that last vlog, I have ordered organizers as well, like more in numbers. So they all came now. Oh wow. So this is a jute organizer, and this is how it look like. Okay, so it will take the shape in time, but this is how it look like. Pretty much like it. I love how the beige and white combination with this brown details going on. Love it. So of course, moving to the next one. Oh. This is for haul at all. So I will show you in the haul videos. So stay tuned for that. Moving to next. Oh, this is again another kurta haul. By now I think you all have seen, but anyways, if not, you will see soon. Again another kurta. Okay, another kurta. This one is so beautiful. This is really beautiful. Right. We will be seeing in haul as well. Moving to the last one. Yeah, that was it. Okay, so moving to this last one now. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing this lipstick because I'm trying it out, the longevity of this one. So these are the same old basket that I have, the green and white one. So it's same one. I ordered everything in 3 numbers, and this specially I bought it to test it out whether I like it or not. And once I really like it, to be honest, it is quite spacious as well, and it is jute, not plasticky. That's what I like the most. So I think I will order 2 more of that. Okay, so this and another we have. So that's it for this unboxing. I will catch you soon.
A few moments later. Much later.
Hello you all. Today it's 20th of May and it's a Tuesday, so I'm catching you all after almost a month now that I have again started vlogging. And it's a very special day for me because I have a lot of to-do lists to complete today itself, and Monday मैंने सारा कुछ schedule कर लिया था, and now I have to do and fill everything right there as per the schedule. I know there will be a lot of noises. Children are playing ground pe because I think their summer vacation started, so I can't help it really, and the noises are like what to do. It's a disadvantage of staying beside roadside. Flat hone pe aisa hi hota hai. Let me see, I got completely ready and I'm in white now because I am shooting for like an ad for Garnier India, and I am so my voice is a little bit cracked because these days I am sipping on iced tea and cold coffee and whatnot, so it's really showing off on my voice. But nonetheless, I have to shoot for 3 brands today. One, I have told you I'm shooting for Garnier India ad shoot. Next, I will be doing for another brand called Stage lipstick का brand है ये, and their lipstick I don't know why I haven't tried it before and earlier मैंने क्यों इसको explore नहीं किया. Being a lipstick lover, I really regret because their quality top notch. They are so good. So I will be doing another shoot for Stage. And lastly, oh my god, this skincare brand is just killing it. This is the Juicy Chemistry skincare brand, is just killing it. I mean, I have used a spot correction wala serum and I have here a definite spot. I am trying out to reducing it and I'm seeing visible changes after 2 days now that I'm trying. I will try for this week and then the video will be up on my channel. I mean, oh my god, already I tried 2 days and this is the result. I mean, it's doing crazy. The brand is so sustainable, like their packaging to everything is so eco-friendly that I love the most. I think I haven't come across this mindful brand ever before, and everything from the outer packaging to the inner packaging made up of glass bottles is, oh my god, they are beautiful. They are so thoughtful and mindful. We should appreciate. Some of the products are yet pricier because what they are trying to maintain their standard and thinking of the environment is like genius. We should support there as well. So I'm trying out that. I will show you all a dedicated video of what I failed and a dedicated review is coming soon rather. These are the 3 brands that I'm targeting for this week. I will complete all the shoots. अभी तो फिलहाल कोई भी घाई में कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Slowly I will do it and touch wood, सब कुछ अच्छा ही जाएगा hopefully. Now I will shoot for the ad shoot Garnier India's. Then I will do the rest of the 2 कल या परसों में ऐसे थोड़ा करके कर लूँगी and वो हो जाएगा. Also my own channel content should go as well. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing, plain white. This is from Forever India, I guess. Forever what? It's a YOLO logo, that's all I remember. Anyways, so this is from this and I'm so happy. Let's do it. This is not my first ad shoot. I have done earlier as well, so I'm not that nervous because doing from my comfort zone, I know all the things and editing में मैं खुद ही करूँगी शायद या फिर editor को दे तो पता नहीं, I don't know, but I'm so happy. So it's gonna be